Hey guys, today we're making this cute gumball machine. I wish I could have shown it to you properly, but I had such a hard time getting a good camera angle without having my hands in the way, so I had to record like this. But it does actually work when you turn the handle on up, so I hope you'll enjoy. You want to begin by rolling out a sheet in any color of your choice. I chose red because that's the most common color for gumball machines. And then cut a few sheets that are approximately the same size. For the bottom sheet, I used a ball tool to make it slanted to form the ramp where the gumball is gonna roll out. I placed another sheet on top and cut a groove in the same size. I then stacked 5 layers and used some tools to make a hole all the way through. Then trim the sides to form the base of the gumball machine. Push a headpin or piece of wire through the front where you want the pull or knob to be, and pre-bake. After pre-baking, roll out a ball of clay that fits the hole of the gumball machine. Form a loop in one end of the headpin and push your clay through. While pre-baking that, I used my X-Acto knife to cut a slit in the front of the gumball machine. The reason why I'm doing this after baking is just so that it's not too wobbly. Now cut a hole in the ball of clay just pre-baked. You want it to be deep enough to fit a gumball. Then measure, cut and bend the other end of the headpin where you want the handle to be attached. Push this into a sheet of scrap clay and cut out the shape of the handle, then bake. I then cut out a square from a thin sheet of the same scrap clay, attached this to the front of the machine, marked off the hole, baked and cut a slit. Then add the handle and cover up the slit. For the glass, I'm going to be using this, which I found on eBay, and I just used my electric file to slightly increase the size of the smallest of the two holes. Roll out another sheet of scrap clay, measure and cut an opening, then attach this to the top of the machine and bake. After baking, just glue it in place. Then paint it. I used silver colored alcohol ink, red acrylic paint mixed with red Pearl X pigment to create a metallic color, and black acrylic paint for extra detail. And you want to finish off with a layer of glaze. Lastly, you just want to roll out and bake a bunch of little gumballs, add these to the machine, and you're done.